Are you facing issues with your HVAC system? Is it poor heating, air conditioning, or ventilation? Regardless of the issue, an HVAC system that doesn't run properly not only makes you and your family uncomfortable, it is also hazardous. This is where hiring a professional HVAC contractor becomes invaluable. Our company delivers top-rated HVAC service and has been helping our customers feel comfortable and safe in their homes. Whether you need a new unit or a repair, our trained and certified technicians are here to help. Licensed, insured, and certified, rest assures that your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system will be in good hands. So give us a call today and speak to our friendly representatives now.